Once upon a time, there was a magical kingdom called the Substitution Kingdom. The kingdom was peaceful and ruled by a kind Carbon King and Carbon Queen. They were happy until the pregnant queen became very sick. Right away, the king sent his guards to dig up a magical flower with healing powers. They made an elixir with the flower. The queen drank it, and she healed. Unfortunately, the flower belonged to a wicked woman named Mother Bromide, who was furious to lose her precious flower. And so, when the queen gave birth to a baby girl, she stole the child away. Mother Bromide took the baby's crown, which is a gift from the girl's parents, so that she could never find out that she was the lost princess. Mother Bromide named the child as Carbocation, and she hid the girl in a tower named S Orbital, which is hidden in the forest. It turned out that the girl's golden hair had the same healing powers as the flower. Mother Bromide used the girl's hair to stay young and told her she was her mother.
Each year, on their last daughter's birthday, the queen and the king sent lanterns into the night sky. Princess Carbocation saw the floating lights from her tower and longed to see them up close. But the Mother Bromide always said no. One day, Mother Bromide went away. For 18 years, she carried the girl's crown, but that day she accidentally dropped the crown. After a while, a stranger climbed into the tower. Carbocation was shocked, because the only person she saw by now was Mother Bromide. So she knocked him out with a frying pan and searched through his bag. Inside the bag, she found a stolen crown. Curious, she tried it on. She had a p orbital to make a connection, and she felt a connection between him after wearing the crown. The chemistry between them was so pure and organic. The stranger Nucleophilic Water Boy was a thief on the run, but Carbocation saw him as a chance to see the floating lights. She offered him a deal. If Waterboy helped her to see the lights, she would give him back the crown. Waterboy did not want to go to steal. He was hiding from the other water boys, two thieves that he worked with. He was hiding from them because he did saw the crown on the grass and stole it without saying anything to other thieves. He didn't want to go, but he couldn't say no. Reluctantly, Waterboy climbed down the tower, while Carbocation used her hair to lower herself to ground. To Carbocation, being in the outside was like a dream come true.
Carbocation had never ran through the grass before or climbed on a tree. Still she felt nervous. Mother Bromide had always told her the outside world was scary, and Mother Bromide would never lie, would she? While Carbocation and Waterboy was on the road, Waterboy felt and injured his hand. Then Carbocation put her hair around it, and his wound was healed. Waterboy was amazed, so Carbocation explained about her magical hair, but once it's cut, she said it loses its power. Meanwhile, Mother Bromide had discovered that both Carbocation and the crown was gone and began to search for them. The next morning was Carbocation's birthday. Waterboy led her to the town. They danced and took a boat to watch the lanterns from the harbor. He did not want to take back the crown from her. They went ashore after the boat trip, but both the thieves and Mother Bromide saw them.
Mother Bromide was angry because the girls trying to escape. Then she stopped pretending to be nice to Carbocation and hurt Waterboy. He was hurt, and Carbocation knew she could heal him with her hair. After all Carbocation's seen, she realized that she was the lost princess. "I'll stay with you," she promised Mother Bromide. "Just let me save him." "Swear it,"
said Mother Bromide, and Carbocation did. But Water Boy refused to let Mother Bromide win, because the hair was her youth formula. As soon as Carbocation came near him, he sliced off her hair with his knife. Quickly, the golden hair turned brown. The knife was cursed anymore because of cutting the magical hair, and it became shining. After cutting the hair, the other water boy attacked our water boy and took his knife, because he was amazed at temporary golden sparkles. When he took the knife, he turned into a more powerful man just for a minute. By the time, Mother Bromide was getting older and uglier. With a last hope, she tried to take the knife. She lost the hair source, but the knife was her last hope. She attacked the thief who had the knife and took it. But when she took it, suddenly she became weaker, because the knife was cursed for her. After the hair and the knife gone, the young molecules finally formed something new together, and they never separated. Except Mother Bromide, the rest of all lived happily ever after.